Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, December the 8th, 2009. What a day, baby. What a day. And again, look at that dollar index. Just like we said yesterday, it was going to pull back, never took out previous day lows, and then bang, to the moon. Certainly doesn't hurt that Greece, big problems in Greece, downgrade, Moody's, possibly downgrading the U.S. and U.K., AAA status, possibilities of Dubai, more problems, and just the futures were down, and all the numbers last night sucked. London numbers were terrible, as predicted. Industrial production out of Eurozone, terrible. And as far as tonight's trade goes, again, I think continuation of the dollar strength. I think the futures are going to be down. We'll look at those charts in a second. I think this budget news coming out of London could be the catalyst for cable to collapse. Maybe. And I think this move is not done. It's not over. The train, again, when you take a look at this dollar index. This is the first major break. Look at my 10, 20, 30 EMAs. They're crossing for the first time in 7 months. This was really the last time they tried to cross. That was it. That's it. No soup for you. Crossing, baby. People, the train's leaving the station. You haven't gone premium yet. Try me out for 1 week, baby. We cleaned up last night. The yens didn't do so good because I didn't believe in it. But really, the only one I bought was pound yen down 150 pips. So it wasn't, I tried to buy them also at the end of the day, but stock market didn't rally. But still, great day. Everything coming up roses. And again, this dollar index, to me, just looks terrible. This dollar index, again, looks amazing. Dollar looks great. And again, I think that we certainly, when you look at all my channel lines I could draw of this dollar index, we're broken out, baby. Gone. Like the wind. And I think at some point, you got to look yourself and say, well, now we got to do a Fibonacci, right? Where can we really go? From the high to the low? 80. Oh, my goodness. Can you imagine? Barack Hussein Obama. All right. So, sorry. And again, remember, you can always get my audio on globalfxradio.com. Looking at this is the S&P futures, S&P 500. Major channel line here at 1082. That's 8 handles. We crack through there. It's going to be like a hot knife and butter, baby. But again, we're coming up to major levels. Gold just getting annihilated. And again, our channel line here in gold, 1085. We take out 1120, and it's going to get ugly. That was a major breakout, over 1120. Hey, my 1150 short's looking pretty good now, isn't it? Just kidding. Well, $70. Maybe up 20. Pain. Crude, I think, held. Crude really could have held today. This 71 level is big. This baby gets cracked. We got big inventory numbers coming out tomorrow. They crack through this number, and oh boy, look out below. It's going to get ugly. So crude holding 71 is paramount. Huge. So all those charts cutting up to major channel lines. And if we really do break through to the other side, look out. Because we might be heading towards 80 in the dollar next. I'm not convinced yet. And I don't see how the S&P is going to close it. What do they say, 1160, some of these people. And I just don't see how it's going to, we crack to that. Anyway, Eurodollar. Let's get to the charts again. Eurodollar, another one, breaking through major support. Rallying a little bit into the close, but again, broke through our major channel. And again, the same thing applies. Fibonacci. We might have to do a fib. Look at the fib. And by the way, these trade balance numbers also could be very important. German trade balance, if that disappoints, industrial production is collapsing. Things are not looking good in Germany. So again, looking at this Eurodollar, we could be looking about 140, 130. Easy. We cracked through this 145 level. Listen, it looks like we're going easy to this spike low down here, 146.26. Broken. It looks like we're going there easy. So we take that out. Again, Euro's crossing for the first time in a very, very long time. It could get very nasty. I think at a minimum, we're gonna test 145. I think that's what it's looking like more in the euro. That's my spot where maybe. Dollar yen, again, you got to do your fib. It's unbelievable close on Friday. I think you do your fib, and I think the 50% retracement is going to hold tonight. You get down to 87, 85, breaking through previous day low, little Momo, and I'm getting long. I'm a little scared to get long, but again, it's sort of a hedge, I guess. Looking at sterling dollar. Gone. Busted. Good night. Sayonara. The train is leaving the station. Look at this channel line. We're right up against it. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Bang. Zoom. To the floor. Say goodnight. We break through this support level here. This is such a monster support zone. We crack through 162.50, and it's all over. It's over. This thing is going to melt like a hot knife through butter. And I think I love saying that. I really do. I'm sorry. Certainly easy. I see 161. And I think another one. At some point, you got to say, well, this move is real. Let me do my Fibonacci from the low to the high, because it's got to be from those. And take a look at where the first line of defense is. That spike down low. We're talking about another 600 pips, baby. Boys and girls. Come on. So, I don't know. This cable looks like it's rolling over big time. And let's look at the Aussie dollar also. I mean, look at this baby. We take out, and I believe we're going to take this out tonight. Big numbers tonight. Building approvals, I believe. Home loans. And we crack through this level, and it's going to get ugly. 89 easy. Easy. Take a look at that. And I got to tell you another one where you got to say to yourself, well, at what point do I do a Fibonacci? Well, here you go. Bang. I mean, tell me this isn't the biggest cliff dive you've ever seen. I mean, look at this move. This baby is due to get toasted. Down 200. Maybe, yeah, tonight. Dollar Canada, another one. Again, Bank of Canada, disappointed today in my opinion. Hopefully you got my twin on that. And again, we're on the precipice of breaking out of a major downtrend channel. Major. When this sucker gets a momentum move, you see what this could do. It could explode. I think this dollar Canada is going to make a major move, at least to 107.50. That's not a major. I'm talking about 109.90, 110. Test this level here. Absolutely. Euro sterling. I think this news, the European news was terrible. London news wasn't good either. But nice reversal, and I got to tell you, this Greece story is not good for this, and the pound might hold up, but we really got to crack through. I really want to see us crack through 90. We take out 90, it's more like a wedge. We crack through 90, then absolutely I will get much more bearish on Euro sterling, but not yet. Not yet. Under 90, absolutely. Under 89.75, say sayonara. Again, remember, I will be offering a 3-month deal for my premium service December 15th. So if you're looking to take advantage of that and you want to try out my service for the first time, you could do a 1-week trial, cancel, and then sign up because, again, the 3-month deal, you pay for it, no trial, no refund, no soup for you, you're in. So look at this euro yen. I mean, this is just incredible. It's gone. It broke through the 61.8% retracement. I thought it was going to hold. It didn't. This looks horrible. I mean, this looks like death. This baby, I can't believe it. It's going down. We're going to have to sell the strength again. I'm sorry. I tried to sell it last night, but it didn't rally to my spot. That was the one I wanted the most, euro yen. But it looks like it's going lower. We could easily test 129. And maybe we get a reversal tomorrow. Dollar yen, again, is the key. Will dollar yen reverse? That is the big $1 million question. Sterling yen, another one. Take a look quickly. Busting through. Just incredible moves. 1,000 pips. This baby's going lower. Again, if you have any questions about premium or any aspect of my business, feel free to email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. Big night tonight, people. Make me proud. Dollar up again. Yen up. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need in Forex that truly loves to make you money. Make me proud tonight.